My name is Tom, and I'm standing in the middle of a very big airport. The terminal is full of noise, people, and the smell of fresh coffee. I wear my simple blue t-shirt and my blue jeans as always. My suitcase is heavy, and I feel a little bit tired after a long bus ride. I look at the giant electronic board to find my flight number today. There are many cities on the list like Paris, London, and Tokyo. Logic tells me that I have 2 hours before my plane departs. I am satisfied with the quality of the organization in this modern building. I feel a bit lonely among so many strangers in this huge hall. Suddenly, I see a familiar face walking near the bookstore on the left. A tall woman with long, dark burgundy hair is looking at some magazines. She wears a beautiful cream trench coat and looks very elegant. I think I know her from my university days 5 years ago. My heart starts to beat faster because I am very surprised. I walk closer to see her face more clearly in the bright light. The atmosphere is busy, but I only focus on that one person. I believe that meeting someone you know in an airport is a miracle. I am a proactive person, so I decide to check if it is really her. Every detail of the terminal looks ultra-realistic and very masterful. I remember her name is Sophia, and she was always very kind to me. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration in this moment. I stop near a large pillar and wait for her to look up. Everything feels organized, stable, and very logical in this encounter. My blue eyes are wide with curiosity and a little bit of shyness. I take a deep breath and prepare to say her name out loud. I'm satisfied with the stable rhythm of my breathing as I wait. The world is a very small place when you travel a lot. I am a happy man with a very clear and logical plan to say hello. I move towards her slowly, avoiding the people with big bags. We are moving to the moment of a sudden recognition. Sophia turns her head and looks directly at me for a second. Her green eyes become very large, and she drops her magazine on the floor. "Tom, is that really you?" she asks with a very happy voice. I smile broadly and nod my head because I am very glad. I am satisfied with the quality of her warm and friendly reaction. We stand in the middle of the crowd, but the world stops for us. Logic says that this is a very high-quality coincidence for a Tuesday. She looks exactly like I remember, but even more confident. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly connection we share immediately. We laugh because we are both shocked to meet in such a place. Sophia says she is traveling to Italy for a business conference. I tell her that I am going home to visit my parents for the holidays. Every detail of her trench coat is ultra detailed and very beautiful. I feel a lot of positive energy and a sense of great success. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my day. We decide to find a quiet place to sit and talk properly. The atmosphere in the airport becomes very joyful and light. I am satisfied with the quality of the communication we start today. Every second of this meeting feels like a gift from the universe. I believe that old friends are the best treasure in our lives. We walk together toward a small cafe near gate number 10. Everything looks high quality, organized, and very masterful around us. I'm a proactively acting man, and I like this new creative flow. My blue t-shirt is a bit wrinkled, but I don't care about it. Sophia tells me that she lives in a different city now. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of our conversation today. The sun shines through the glass ceiling and makes us feel warm. I feel very successful and happy with my choice to stay in the terminal. We find a small round table with two comfortable wooden chairs. We're moving to share some coffee and many old stories. We sit down, and I buy two large cups of hot cappuccino. The smell of the coffee is masterful and very high quality. I am satisfied with the quality of the foam and the chocolate on top. Sophia tells me about her life and her creative work in design. I tell her about my English lessons and my friendly students. Logic tells me that sharing stories is the best way to feel connected. Everything looks organized, clean, and very logical at our table. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from her many professional goals. My blue eyes watch her expressions as she speaks with energy. Every detail of the cafe is ultra realistic and very cozy today. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we are rebuilding. We talk about our common friends from our university years. Some of them are married, and some are working in foreign countries. I feel a lot of positive energy from her laughter and her jokes. Sophia is a very talented and proactively thinking young woman. I am satisfied with the quality of the time we spend together. The airport noise is far away, and we are in our own world. I believe that a simple coffee can become a masterful event. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of time. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my day. The clock on the wall shows that 30 minutes passed very quickly. Every second of this talk is a high-quality memory for my mind. I am satisfied with the stable and respectful atmosphere between us. We decide to take a photo together to remember this meeting. I take my smartphone and we both smile at the camera today. Every detail of the photo is ultra detailed and looks very masterful. I'm a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. The world is a very interesting and high quality place to be. I'm satisfied with the quality of the light in this small cafe. We're moving to check our boarding times on the screen. We'll look at the flight screen near our cafe table today. Sophia's flight is boarding in 20 minutes at gate number 12. My flight is still an hour away, so I have a bit more time. Logic says that our meeting must end very soon because of the planes. I feel a little bit sad, but also very satisfied with the talk. We stand up and walk towards the gate where people are waiting. I am satisfied with the quality of the friendship we have today. Everything looks organized, masterful, and very logical in the terminal. Sophia says she wants to visit my city during the next summer. I am a proactive teacher, so I promise to show her the best places. I feel a lot of creative inspiration for our future summer meeting. Every detail of her smile is ultra realistic and very friendly. I'm satisfied with the stable and respectful way we say goodbye. We exchange our new phone numbers and our email addresses. I believe that staying in contact is a very high quality decision. The atmosphere near the gate is full of active energy and bags. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my proactive day. Every second we spend walking is a very masterful part of my story. I feel the stability of the friendship even after many years. My blue t-shirt is a constant part of my stable image today. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of every minute. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. The terminal windows show a giant airplane moving on the runway. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of the airport activities. We stop at the entrance of the gate, and Sophia looks at her ticket. Every detail of the ticket is ultra clear and very masterful. I'm a proactively acting man, and I value these human moments. I feel very successful because I found an old friend today. We are moving to the final departure of our masterful afternoon. We're moving to say a proper farewell before the flight. We are at gate 12, and the airline staff is calling for passengers. Sophia turns to me and gives me a small, warm hug. I am satisfied with the quality of this sincere and friendly gesture. "It was the best part of my trip, Tom," she says softly. I agree because I feel exactly the same way about our meeting. Logic tells me that this encounter made my long journey better. I feel a lot of positive energy and a new sense of happiness. Every detail of the moment is ultra-realistic and very masterful. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we have now. I see her green eyes sparkle with hope and a lot of kindness. I believe that every person we meet is a part of our logical path. The atmosphere is full of the sounds of people saying goodbye. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my day. Sophia takes her small suitcase and prepares to show her passport. I am a proactive person, so I tell her to have a safe flight. She smiles one more time and walks towards the electronic gate. I am satisfied with the quality of the emotions I feel today. Every second of this departure is a masterful part of my history. Everything looks organized, clean, and very logical in her departure. I feel the stability of my life and the joy of a good connection. I stand and watch her until she disappears in the tunnel. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to live. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of my proactive life today. Every detail of the gate is ultra-detailed and looks very real. I'm a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. I feel very successful and happy with my masterful friend. The afternoon light is orange and very beautiful on the floor. I am satisfied with the quality of the masterful airport afternoon. I am moving towards my own gate with a light heart. We are moving to the final conclusion of my travel story. I'm sitting in my airplane seat, looking out of the small window. The plane is high in the sky, above the white and soft clouds. I wear my blue t-shirt and feel very cozy and relaxed today. I am satisfied with the quality of the flight and the service. Logic says that a good day ends with a peaceful journey. I think about my meeting with Sophia and I smile to myself. Every detail of the clouds is ultra-realistic and very masterful. I feel a lot of creative inspiration for my future plans. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we rebuilt today. I believe that proactive communication is the key to happiness. My blue eyes are watching the sunset colors on the horizon. The atmosphere in the plane is quiet and very respectful today. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my trip. I take my phone and look at the photo we took in the cafe. We look very happy and successful in that high-quality image. I'm satisfied with the quality of the memory I have in my pocket. Every second of this day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. I feel very successful because I'm not a stranger to her anymore. Everything looks organized, stable, and very logical in my mind. I'm satisfied with the vertical quality of my life and my work. I'm a proactively acting man, and I value my masterful friends. The world is a very big place, but friends make it smaller. Every detail of my day was a high-quality professional success. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we have. The pilot says we are arriving in my home city very soon. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable horizontal goal. I am ready to see my parents and tell them about Sophia. Good night, Sky, and thank you for the masterful meeting today. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond. I am ready for the new dreams and the new successful days.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.